All right, so this is the intro video for week 6. Welcome back. Hopefully everything's going well and that you did wonderful on your progress reports. A review of last week very quickly is we talked about software applications. So hopefully you know about etiquette, netiquette, the parts of an email, conventions, digital footprint. We kind of went over a lot of those types of things. So the essential question was, how can we be polite when writing emails? Polite means you're making a first good impression. So everybody loved doing the Kahoot. The Kahoot was I think most people did well. The email, create a new email. Most of you did awesome. I've sent a couple of um, suggestions for some, but in general, you all did very well. Just don't remember your name and period. That is like the two biggest things as a teacher. It makes my life or our lives so much better. And then the typing test, I'm going to say 100% of you said that you were going to make your goal, which is awesome. I really, really hope so because it will make your life easier. Okay, so just keep working at it and you can go from there. All right, so we're going to go to this week. We're in week 6. It's set up exactly the same way. On Monday at 11, I will do the live intro of this whole thing and answer any questions. Please don't look at that. I guess I forgot to take it off. Progress reports for last Thursday. You will have a voluntary meeting on Wednesday. This week we are talking about cyberbullying and things to look at, the statistics, what you can and cannot do, what you should and should not do. So the vocabulary, remember I told you every other week you'll have either typing or vocabulary. So this week is vocabulary. And the vocabulary is online predator, cyberbullying, outing, impersonation, flaming, harassment, denigration, exclusion, cyberstalking, exclusion, and trickery. So those will be your words, and you'll be doing that in assignment 3. Okay, so your essential question is, what is cyberbullying and what can you do to stop it? As I told you, there will be 2 face-to-face, totally voluntary, one on Monday at 11 and one Wednesday at 11. Your learning objectives is to know the different types of cyberbullying and how to prevent and report cyberbullying. So that is what the goals are for this week. To do that, you have 3 assignments. The first assignment is you are going to watch 2 short videos. You're going to, while you're watching them, write down the 4 types of bullying and their definitions. And then you are going to record, audio record, just like I'm doing here, except for without video. You're going to auto record your answers. So you're learning another skill that will help you when you're doing assignments for other teachers in other classes. So you will watch the 2 videos, you will write down the 4 types of bullying, their definitions, and then you will record the answers and send them to me. The second one is a worksheet that is what they call a cyber hunt. And basically each question has a different link that you click on to find the answer to the question. As I said in the intro video to this assignment, they all work for me. All the links, I've double checked them, whatever. You guys might have different permissions. If you have problems with any of the other any of the links, you can A, look it up on Google, or B, let me know and I will put up another link or something. So this one will give you a lot of statistics, what to do, what to look for, etc. And then the last one is vocabulary. Like I said, you will take these these terms, and you will do a matching game for the vocabulary, but there are 2 different practices. There is like Who Wants to Be a Millionaire? It's called Rags to Riches. And the second one is an online one where you can do Pac-Man, um, Space Invaders, etc. So check that out. It's a lot of fun. It's always worked really well in the past. Okay, so have a wonderful week. As always, any questions, problems, even suggestions, please message me and let me know. And if not, I hope to see you sometime during the week.